That's a problem.
Well, some will spray it, some will make their own like nature. That's what you have to do. Especially if it's still attached to the roof, if it's not